Welcome to ERZIA. We're here at headquarters in Santander, Spain, where we engineer, design, manufacture, and test RF and microwave electronics for our customers around the world. Our products are used in space, Satcom, radar, and electronic defense. And due to the nature of these applications, they are built to be lightweight, resilient, and extremely reliable. Our components off-the-shelf catalog has more than 200 part numbers. And if you don't find what you're looking for there, our team is ready to tackle the most demanding mission specs and engineer a solution that surpasses your expectations. Visit ERZIA.com and let us take you further.